Real estate is a bad investment if you do any of these things. Number one, you try to time the market. This isn't day trading, right? You don't get out there, you don't say, you know what, I'm gonna buy this property, I'm gonna see if I can choose to buy it at the right time. If I can time the market, if I can buy it low, sell it high. Chances are very good you're not gonna do it right, you're gonna lose money. Secondly, you can make some big mistakes. You can make mistakes on the contract, right? In addition to overpaying for a property, when you buy the property, if you forego doing a home inspection, if you don't, pay attention to the disclosures, you can end up buying a property. Let's say that they're building something that is not desirable, like they're going to be putting in a freeway, they're going to be putting in a dump. They're doing something that is going to start lowering property values. That can make your investment a bad investment. And a great way to see that is if there's a bunch of homes in the same area that are all going up for sale at the same time. So you should definitely do your research, just like the big box retailers do. They don't just throw a Home Depot out in an area because it's convenient. They do their research. They look at the market demographics, they look at what's happening in the community, and that's the type of stuff you should do too. So yes, there are times when real estate can be a bad investment. If you were to buy a property, hold the property for a long enough period of time, for the most part, you're always gonna make money. But for a list of things that you should avoid and things that you should do when you're looking to buy a property, send me a DM, and I'll be happy to let you know.